Okay, hello guys. Today we are talking about trigonometric identities. Okay, so let's move to the first part of it. So first, let's just see here we have the formula tan theta equals to sine theta over cosine theta. That is a ratio identity. Okay. Second identity is Pythagoras identity. So here we can find we have sine theta squared plus cosine theta squared equals to 1. Okay, this is a second identity. Okay. So we can just use it to solve some problems, like some proof problems. Like here, you can find 1 over cosine theta minus cosine theta. So first, you can just make it both into the fractional form. So it's 1 over cosine theta minus cosine theta squared over cosine theta, right? So then you can just reason that as cosine theta here is for 1 minus cosine theta squared, okay? Okay, so then you can say that we can turn into sine theta squared over cosine theta. So that we can reason as sine theta times sine theta over cosine theta. So sine theta over cosine theta can be considered as tan theta, right? So this can be written as sine theta times tan theta. Okay, that is it. Okay, so here's the exercise for you to solve it. So let's move to the first problem. Like sine x plus cosine x squared, we can say that is for sine squared because a plus b squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, right? So here is for sine x squared plus cosine x squared, and then plus 2 sine x cosine x. And as we know that sine x squared plus cosine x squared equals to 1, right? So it equals to 1 plus 2 sine x cosine x, okay? That is the first problem. And for the second problem, we said 1 minus sine theta squared, we can say that is cosine x squared, okay? So it equals to sine x over square root cosine x squared. So that equals to sine x over cosine x. So using the equation before, that is tan x, right? So that is for our proof problems, okay? So that for this our lesson. Hope you can understand it for the two trigonometric identities. So see you next lesson. Bye.